Hello everyone. Now let's begin with the second part of the chapter 11, the Hornbill Festival. The Hornbill Festival is organized by the government of Nagaland. It begins every year on 1st December, which is also the day when Nagaland was declared an official state of India. Earlier, the festival would last for a week, but soon it became so popular that it was extended by 3 more days. So, Hornbill Festival is basically organized by the government of Nagaland and it begins every year on the 1st of December. As it is a very popular festival, so earlier it was for a week and now it is extended by 3 more days, that means 10 days. So the festival lasts for 10 days. The Naga Heritage Village is at the heart of festivities, but close to Kohima, the capital of Nagaland. It includes a cluster of 16 huts and morangs, one for each of the 16 tribes of Nagaland. Now there is a Naga Heritage Village which is near to Kohima, and Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. It is at the heart of festivities. Why it is the heart of the festivities, the festival? Because there are group of 16 huts and morangs. Morangs means dormitories, which is one for each of the 16 tribes of Nagaland. And each of these spaces reflect the architecture, design and colors of its tribe. So different huts are made of different architecture, design and colors according to the tribes. Visitors are served traditional local delicacies from the cuisine of each tribe in the different morangs. So the different delicacies, the treat from the cuisine of each tribe, the way of cooking. The food cooked by a restaurant is a cuisine. So cuisine of each tribe is being served to the visitors that visit there in the different morangs. Apart from performances, ceremonies and sports, several art forms and handicrafts are on display. Like in a fair we see, there is a display of different things. There are different performances, sports, art forms and handicrafts made by the things which are made by hands. Traditional paintings, sculptures and wood carvings are exhibited. They are put in show in the exhibition alongside stalls of local flowers, traditional herbal medicines and food preparations. All these things are also there in the festival. Visitors can look forward to events like Naga wrestling and archery. Other popular attractions are warrior drum shows, colorful warrior headgear, war dances and war cries. There are other attractions which are the drum shows of the warriors. There are colorful warrior headgear. Headgear means something to cover the head. There are war dances and war cries also. The festival also includes the Kohima Night Bazaar, where the town bustles with energy as the sun goes down. Bustles means when people collect at a place and there is a sound of people talking. So that is bustling. So in the Kohima Night Bazaar, the streets are lined with stalls of food, games and handicrafts. Locals and visitors indulge in special delicacies and shop till the early hours of the morning. Means whole night it is open. People enjoy till the early hours of the morning. Walking through the crowded busy streets in this festive environment is one of the main charms of the Hornbill Festival. So walking through the busy streets in the festive environment, it is the one of the main charms, one of the main attractions of the Hornbill Festival.